ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण। अजातशत्रु राजा was very happy when he heard Gargya saying Brahma te Bravani. Then when he started talking about Brahma, then Ajatashatru said, Mama etasmin samvadishtha. Means I already know all this, there is no need of discussing this, etc. And in all upasanas that we saw, 12 vikalpas, I think. In all of them, he already knew, he has done upasana, he knows upasana phalam, etc. So now, the last one that we saw in 13th mantra, page number 433. आत्मन्वीह भवति आत्मन्विनीह अस्य प्रजा भवति सह तूष्णीम आस गार्ग्यः. Gargya became quiet. तूष्णीम आस. In Bhashya we saw गार्ग्यः क्षीण ब्रह्म विज्ञानः अप्रतिभासमान उत्तरः तूष्णीम अवाक्षिरा. So how many words are there? How many Bahuvrihi samasas are there? I explained all this last time. I'm just touching that idea again. So this Gargya, his Brahma Vijnanam is Kshinam. Kshinam means he's done more than this, he doesn't know. And Apratibhasamano Uttaraha. Apratibhasamanam Uttaram Yasya. He has no further answers. And Avakshira. Tushnim is not any Bahuvrihi. Avakshira. Asa. Avakshira means with his head down. He was standing there. Tika, we saw the Tika? Okay. 14th mantra. Sahovacha ajata shatru retavannu. Here you have to put pluta. Etavannu pluti. 3. Ityetavadhi iti naitavata viditam bhavati iti. Sahovacha gargya upatva yaniti. Sahovacha Ajatashatru. That Ajatashatru Raja said, Etavannu. This is all you know. Etavadhi iti. Etavadhi iti Gargya. Gargya said, only this much I know. I don't know anything. The honesty you see. He didn't say, you deserve only this much. I know a lot more, but I am not going to tell. If you don't know, you say don't know. That is good. एतावधि इति. Naitavata viditam bhavati. Ajatashatru said, by this you cannot know Brahma. Because you cannot know Nirguna Brahma. You will know Saguna Brahma, but you will not know Nirguna. Etavata na viditam bhavati. Now you see Gargya. Sahovacha Gargya. Tva means Tvam upayani iti. I will do upasatti to you. When we understand that there are people who are wiser than us, immediately we should say, I will learn from you. Not that there are wise people here, I am not going to stand here, because they all will prove I don't know anything. I will go in that company where all the people are murkha. So in comparison to them, I will prove myself wiser. What is the use of that? Brahmana Lakshana is this. When there are people who have wisdom, you go there, I will study from you. He didn't see this Shvetaketu in Bharadharanyaka 6th chapter, it will come. Shvetaketu went home. He did not know answer. And when his father said, I also don't know, let's go and do Upasatti, he said, you go, I am not coming. Whereas this Gargya is very honest. Immediately he did Upasatti. Bhashya. Tan tatha bhutam alakshya Gargya sahovacha ajata shatruhu etavannu iti. Tam tatha bhutam alakshya. Tam kam Gargya sahovacha ajata shatruhu. Gargya, in your book there is Anuswara?
Yes.
Huh? आप देखिए मंत्र में, I mean प्रथम पंक्ति संदिग्ध नहीं, क्लियर नहीं है. अच्छा ठीक है. ठीक है. तम तथा भूतम आलक्ष्य तम गार्ग्यम तथा भूतम आलक्ष्य सहोवाच अजात शत्रु. अजात शत्रु सेड एतावन्नु इति. टीका. विचारार्थ प्लुति इति कथयति. This pluti, where pluti is there? Etavannu iti. What is the pluti sign? So what is that for? For vichara. There is a thinking. Gargyam, you make it gargyam. वाक्यार्थम चोद्य समाधिभ्याम स्फुटयति. वाक्यार्थम चोद्य समाधिभ्याम. चोद्य समाधिभ्याम मीन्स प्रश्न उत्तराभ्याम. सिंपल. चोद्य मीन्स प्रश्न, समाधि मीन्स समाधानम, समाधानम मीन्स उत्तर. चोद्य समाधिभ्याम मीन्स प्रश्न उत्तराभ्याम. But you see, if they write prashna uttarabhyam, then buddhi vaisharadhyam will not be there. Because people use their buddhi in laukika things so much. They have jignasa. What is happening there? Why this is happening? Why? Chodya samadhi. Why you have to use chodya samadhi? Sputayati. किम एतावत् ब्रह्म निर्ज्ञातम आहोस्वित अधिकमपि अस्ति इति इतर आह एतावद् ही इति. किम एतावत् ब्रह्म निर्ज्ञातम, who will say this? अजात शत्रु. एतावत् ब्रह्म निर्ज्ञातम, this is all that you know. Or ahosvit adhikamapi asti, is there anything more? Iti itara aha etavadhi iti, this much only I know. In Upanishad, these things we should learn more. How Upanishad Vidyarthi is. In Nachiketa, what we have to learn. Satyakama Jabala, what we have to learn. This. Brahma Jnanam will become clear on its own. We run after everything. That honesty and simplicity is what we are missing. एतावद् ही इति. नैतावता विदितेन ब्रह्म विदितं भवति इति आह अजात शत्रुः. एतावता विदितेन ब्रह्म न विदितं भवति. By this much knowledge of Brahma, Saguna Brahma, Nirguna Brahma will not become known. Iti atah ajata shatruhu kimartham garvitosi brahmate bravani iti. Then why were you so proud saying that I will teach you Brahma? By this you cannot know Brahma. See, he understood, Gargya, whatever vikalpas I said, this Raja already knew everything. Not only that, he has done that upasana. He knows the phalam. So this Raja actually knows more than what I know. Normally, this example is given in Brahma Sutra Bhashya. If Patanjali Maharshi ji has written Yoga Sutras, not that he knows only that much, whatever those sutras are. He knows lot more. What he has expressed is only one aspect of his knowledge. Like that, this Raja knows lot more. When he says, I know all this, means he knows more. Tika, भाष्य किम एतावद् विदितम विदितमेव न भवति इति उच्यते. एतावद् विदितम, knowledge of this much. एतावद् विदितम ब्रह्म विदितमेव कथम न भवति, why it doesn't become known? What is the question? There is no question. टीका आदित्यादेहे अविदितत्व निषेधम प्रतिज्ञाय हेतुमाह. आदित्यादेहे अविदितत्वम is nishiddham, means not that he did not know anything, Gargya. Why this much knowledge is not considered as knowledge of Brahma? This is the Purva Vakya. Kim etavad viditam viditam eva na bhavati. Iti uchyate na phalavad vijnana shravanat. Phalavat Vijnanam is there. See, in Tika, the pratika is given na phalavat. Na phalavat means na phalavat Vijnana Shravanat. नैतानि वाक्यानि फलवद् विज्ञान पराणि अर्थवादत्वात् इति आशंक्याः। एतानि वाक्यानि फलवत् विज्ञान पराणि न अर्थवाद सॉरी एतानि वाक्यानि फलवद् विज्ञान पराणि न अर्थवादत्वात् दिस इज द हेतु दीज वाक्यस फलवद् विज्ञान पराणि न दे don't this is the ashanka mean this is not siddhanti mata somebody is thinking that there is no phalam here this is only arthavada these vakyas भाष्य says न च अर्थवादत्वम एव वाक्यानाम अवगंतुम शक्यम these vakyas are not arthavada means these vakyas are वास्तविक न च इति फलवत्वाच्च अपूर्व विधि पराणि एतानि वाक्यानि इत्याह these vakyas have phalam they are not arthavada and फलवत्वाच्च अपूर्व विधि पराणि एतानि they are apurva vidhi vakyam means like swarga vakya what are the three vidhis
अपूर्व विधि नियम विधि परिसंख्या विधि
what is the shloka
विधिरत्यन्तम् अप्राप्तौ नियमः पाक्षिके सति तत्र चान्यत्र च प्राप्तौ
परिसंख्यति गीयते so here he says this is apurva vidhi means the first one and there is phalam like swarga I gave the drishtanta विधि पराणि एतानि वाक्यानि इत्याह तद अनुरूपाणि च फलानि सर्वत्र श्रूयन्ते विभक्तानि वन मोर वाक्य अपूर्व विधान पराणि हि वाक्यानि प्रति उपासनोपदेशं लक्ष्यन्ते अतिष्ठाः सर्वेषां भूतानां इत्यादिनि these vakyas which are apurva vidhana parani means apurva vidhi para apurva vidhana parani vakyani prati upasana upadesham in each upasana prati upasana upadesham lakhyante atishtaha sarvesham bhutanam ityadini in each this was mentioned sarvesham bhutanam atishtaha sarvesham bhutanam atishtaha means the one who does this upasana he will become pradhanam predominant in that group or sarvesham bhutanam means among all but among that group he will be the best one this upasaka this is the upasana phalam tad anurupani cha phalani sarvatra shruyante vibhaktani and separately tad anurupa phalam in each there was some different phalam that was heard and that is said in the shruti टीका अर्थवादत्वे अपि तेषाम अपूर्वार्थत्वं किं न स्यात् somebody is bent to prove that all this is arthavada he says even if it is arthavadatve api तेषाम अपूर्वार्थत्वं किं न स्यात् why they cannot be apurva means arthavada and still have apurva vidhi in them apurvarthatvam arthavad vakya will not be vidhi vakya. So he says if it is arthavada, it is not apurva vidhi, but they will have apurvarthatva. Kinna syat. Iti ashankyaha. This is shanka. Arthavadatva etad asammajasam. if you accept this as Arthavada, Arthavada means some other objective is there. All this is asammajasam. Means all of this does not have any mukhya artha anymore. In other words, all these upasanas don't work if you say it is Arthavada. But Phala Vijnanam is there. Therefore, all this is not Arthavada. All this is Apurva Vidhi. It has Phala Vijnanam. वाक्यानां फलवद विज्ञान परत्वम उपेत्य निषेध वाक्यस्य गतिम पृच्छति. वाक्यानां फलवद विज्ञान परत्वम उपेत्य. Of all these vakyas, फलवद विज्ञान परत्वम, फलवद विज्ञान परत्वम, वाक्य will have फलवत्वम and vijnana means upasana. Phalavad vijnana paratvam vakyana means these vakyas, they are talking of upasanas which have phala. Upetya nisheda vakyasya gatim pruchhati. Nisheda vakya is what? See in bhashya. Katham tarhi na etavata viditam bhavati iti. Then all these vakyas are not arthavada. They have phalam. And they are talking of apurva vidhi. Then by this, why Brahma cannot become known? Katham tarhi etavata Brahma viditam na bhavati. Tasya anarthakyam pariharati naisha dosha. There is no dosha in that. Adhikrita pekshatvat. Adhikrita means adhikari. Adhikari for Saguna Brahma is different, and for that adhikari, this Apurva Vidhi is there, Phalavatvam is there, Arthavadatvam is not there, everything is possible, but yet he will not know Nirguna Brahma. This Pluti, we saw Vicharartha Plutihi iti, 15 number tippani you see. Vicharartha iti bhashyokta vakyameva vicharartham tasya tehe plutaha. There is a sutra, vicharya mananam. When vichara is there, vicharya mananam, that which has T sanya, T will get Pluti. Vakyanam tehe pluta. Further in Bhashya, Brahmopadeshartham, see Tika first, Adhikrita apekshatvat, Vedana pratichedhasya iti uktam sputayati. You said Adhikrita apekshatvat means Adhikrita apekshatvat, Vedana pratichedhasya. Vedana means jnanam. Vedana pratishedha is adhikrita apekshatva. Iti uktam sputayati. What does that mean? Actually, it is given in Bhashya. What it means is this. Ajata Shatru is a adhikari of Nirguna Brahma. So, when he said by this much Brahma cannot be known, Nirguna Brahma cannot be known. By this means if somebody is Nirguna Brahma Adhikari and you teach him Saguna Brahma Vidya, etc., that is negated. Of that there is Pratishedha. Upadesha, Brahmopadeshartham hi Shushrusave Ajata Shatrave Amukhya Brahmavid Gargyah Pravruttah. स युक्त एव मुख्य ब्रह्मविदा अजात शत्रुणा अमुख्य ब्रह्मविद गार्ग्यो वक्तुम यन्मुख्यम ब्रह्म वक्तुम प्रवृत्तस त्वं तन्न जानीष इति. ब्रह्म उपदेशार्थम ही शुश्रूषवे अजात शत्रवे. अजात शत्रु, he said, yes, I am ready to listen. What was he ready to listen? Brahma upadesha, nirguna brahma, means mukhya brahma. And Gargya, he knew what? Amukhya Brahma. Amukhya Brahmavid Gargya. Okay? Amukhya Brahmavid is Gargya. Gargya Pravruttah. Saha Yukta eva Mukhya Brahmavida Ajata Shatruna. And Ajata, Sa Yukta eva, you leave it. Ajata Shatru is Mukhya Brahmavid. मुख्य ब्रह्मविदा अजात शत्रुणा अमुख्य ब्रह्मविद गार्ग्यः वक्तुम यन् मुख्यम ब्रह्म वक्तुम प्रवृत्तः त्वं तन्न जानीष इति युक्त एव. It is yukta of Ajata Shatru to say you don't know. But he said, I know so many things. I told you so many things. You started and you wanted to say about Brahma. I was interested in knowing Mukhya Brahma, Ajata Shatru. You know only Amukhya Brahma. So you started talking about Amukhya Brahma, thinking that you are talking about Mukhya Brahma. Amukhya Brahmavid Gargyo Vaktum Yan Mukhyam Brahma Vaktum Pravruttaha. Gargya, who started engaging in speaking about Mukhya Brahma, that he did not know. So it is Yukta that Vedana Pratisheda is done of Gargya. You don't know. Many times, this Guru Shishya, in particular down there in class, you ask the question. One letter wrong means you are gone, next person. Then, oh no, I will tell these, that, nothing. Then you have to keep quiet. When your turn is there, 100% if you don't give the answer, they'll leave you, next person. So Nisheda is done. Na janish. You say, I know so many things. I said, eat and ease and all. That Lakshana doesn't count. Mukhya part you have to tell. Na etavat iti avisheshena amukhya brahma jnanam api nishiddham iti chet netyaha. न एतावता इति अविशेषेण अमुख्य ब्रह्म ज्ञानम अपि निषिद्धम. अमुख्य ब्रह्म ज्ञानम is not negated by it. Mukhya Brahma Jnanam you don't know. That is what is said. Seven number tippani. Avisheshana means Mukhya Amukhya Vibhagam Vina. If we don't do this division, Mukhya Brahma and Amukhya Brahma Jnanam you know. That is not negated. Yadi Amukhya Brahma Vijnanam api pratyakhyayeta. तदा एतावता इति न ब्रूयात्, न किंचित ज्ञातम त्वया इति एवं ब्रूयात्. If amukhya brahma jnanam was also pratyakhyayeta means was refuted. If that was also refuted by Ajatashatru, then he would not have said tada etavata iti na bruyat. Only this much you know, he would not have said. What he would have said? Na kinchit jnatam toya, you don't know anything. But he didn't say that. That means he knew something. Iti evam bruyat. तस्मात् भवन्ति एतावन्त्य विद्या विषये ब्रह्माणि, एतावन्ति अविद्या विषये ब्रह्माणि. तस्मात् भवन्ति एतावन्ति अविद्या विषये ब्रह्माणि. Therefore, all these एतावन्ति अविद्या विषये ब्रह्माणि भवन्ति. All these they become Brahma in avidya vishaya. Means this Brahma that you are talking, it is still within avidya only. Samsara dashayam. Avidya vishaya means samsara dashayam. Tika. Kincha nishkamena chet etani upasanaनि अनुष्ठीयन्ते तदा एतेषां ब्रह्म ज्ञानार्थत्वात् अमुख्य ब्रह्म ज्ञान निषेधमन्तरेण निषेधोपपत्तिरित्याह. किंच निष्कामेण चेत् एतानि उपासनानि अनुष्ठीयन्ते. If these upasanas are performed with nishkama bhava, same upasanas, nishkamena purushena, एतानि उपासनानि अनुष्ठीयन्ते चेत् तदा एतेषां ब्रह्म ज्ञानार्थत्वात् अमुख्य ब्रह्म ज्ञान निषेधम अंतरेण निषेधोपपत्तिः इत्याह. Then all of them एतेषां ब्रह्म ज्ञानार्थत्वात्, they all are for ब्रह्म ज्ञानम. When they are for ब्रह्म ज्ञानम, when these upasanas are performed with निष्काम भाव. 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. मुख्य ब्रह्म ज्ञानार्थत्व अमुख्य ब्रह्म ज्ञान निषेधम अंतरेण निषेधो उपपत्तिः. Then amukhya brahma jnanam was negated. It is not enough. Amukhya brahma jnana nishedam antarena निषेधोपपत्तिः. 11 नंबर निषेधोपपत्तिः इति 11 नंबर टिप्पणी. निषेधस्य मुख्य ब्रह्म विषयत्वात्. मुख्य मीन्स मुख्य ब्रह्म विषयत्वात्. 11 नंबर टिप्पणी. निषेधस्य मुख्य ब्रह्म विषयत्वात्. So what is meant, I will tell you in brief. These upasanas, if they are performed with nishkama bhava, then it is very clear that after these upasanas are mentioned about Brahma, something else has to come. Because these upasanas are meant only for the sake of Brahma Jnana. So this will give Chitta Shuddhi. Means after this something else has to come. If you say, I know only this much, means somebody says, I know how to bring vegetables, I know how to cut them, wash them, do this, do that. Etavata only. After this you have to do something. Unless you are eating only raw food, after that you have to do something and then you have to eat it. Or let's say chapati. You bring everything, then you have to do something, then you have to cook. So therefore, up to this, that negation is justified because this is all meant for मुख्य ब्रह्म, पर ब्रह्म. एतावद् विज्ञान द्वारत्वाच्च परब्रह्म विज्ञानस्य युक्तम् एव वक्तुं न एतावता विदितं भवति इति. This vijnanam, all these upasanas, etavad vijnana dwara, they are the dwara, vijnana dwaratvacha, parabrahma vijnanasya. This is the doorway to the mukhya brahma jnana. And therefore, yuktam eva vaktum. Therefore, it is appropriate to say, na etavata viditam bhavati. By this much, you cannot know this. Etavata viditam na bhavati. टीका. आदित्यादिकम एव मुख्यम ब्रह्म इति निषेध अनर्थक्यम तदवस्थम इति आशंका. शंका is there. Adityadikam, they themselves are mukhya brahma. Why you have to do negation? Nishedha anarthakyam. So nishedha anarthakya is tadavastham. It is still there. Purvapakshi's argument was nishedha is not justified. Siddhanti said nishedha is justified. Purvapakshi says nishedha is still not justified. Why? Adityadikam mukhya brahma only. Answer is given. अविद्या विषये विज्ञेयत्वं नाम रूप कर्मात्मकत्वं च एषां तृतीय अध्याये प्रदर्शितम्. अविद्या विषये विज्ञेयत्वं. In avidya विषये, what is विज्ञेयत्वं? नाम रूप कर्म. This was presented in तृतीय अध्याय. तृतीय अध्याय means प्रथम अध्याय. उपनिषद क्रमेण प्रथम अध्याय. आदित्यादेर मुख्य ब्रह्मत्व असंभवात् निषेधस्य उपपन्नत्वात् तत्सामर्थ्य सिद्धम अर्थम उपन्यस्यति. आदित्यादेः मुख्य ब्रह्मत्व असंभवात्. आदित्यादि there is no मुख्य ब्रह्मत्व. It is not possible. निषेधस्य उपपन्नत्वात्. निषेध is upapanna. This is appropriate, justified. तत्सामर्थ्य siddham artham upanyasati. So on the strength of these 2 points, tat samarthya siddham artham is what? Tasmat na etavata viditam bhavati iti bruvata adhikam brahma jnatavyam asti iti darshitam bhavati. So by this what is said is adhikam brahma jnatavyam asti. But this much is not enough. There is more, something more about Brahma which is to be known that you don't know. Upagamana vakyam utthaya vyachaste. So now Ajatashatru, when he said this, Garge is going to do upasatti. Tacha anupasannaya na vaktavyam. Now Garge has understood. Raja knows more than me. If I don't do upasatti, he will not tell. He may tell. Why? Because he is a Brahmana. So to Brahmana, a Kshatriya would teach without upasatti. That is what we will see again. But let's say if there is a Brahmana Acharya and somebody, Brahmana or non-Brahmana, wants to study. They don't do upasatti. They will give some answer. Out of some bhaya, people don't do upasatti. So they think, then everybody will think, I am this person's shishya, my status will become lower. You will never study in life because you are only worried about your status. You should always remember, Bhagavan Shankaracharyaji's parents, you know, when they did tapas and Bhagavan Shiva was pleased, So it is said, they asked, do you want a long living Murkha Putra or short living brilliant Putra? What did they ask? Everybody wants knowledge, not long life. Long life is not important. So he was given only 16 years of Ayu. 16. That is enough. Bhagavan Ved Vyasji felt, I have to extend his stay here. We should not worry about how long we live. We should definitely worry about what I have learned. तच्च अनुपसन्नाय न वक्तव्यम इति आचार विधिज्ञः गार्ग्यः. आचार vidhi, Gargya knew that if I don't do upasati, this Brahma, he will not teach me. Swayam eva aha. Immediately he said, upatva yani iti, upagacchani iti, tvam. Yatha anyah shishyo gurum. Yatha anyah shishyo gurum upagacchati. Tatha aham tvam upagacchani. I will do upasati to you. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिण